So, just kidding, you know who it is. Nature Survivalist here today. Here's what's going on this schedule. Today, we're going to eat tree bark. Tree bark! Alright? He's playing his phone. Don't know what he's doing here. So, let's get started, Nature Survivalist. Today, we are going to be eating this tree bark. This tree bark might be poisonous, who knows? Tree bark. Nasty. Don't eat it. Raspberry. All right. Hold up there. That's not clean water. That's dirty water. You know what I call dirty water? Dirty water. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, dang it. Hey, shh. I hear Fido. Fido! Fido! Hey,
But hey, don't touch Fido.
Fido's very clean. It's a very clean plant. Wonderful. Great taste.
cleaned him in a
I love
year.
the smiley face.
I haven't cleaned him in a year. Why would you throw Fido?
Fido. Great source of
Why'd you?
hope.
No, don't touch him.
That water is really clean now.
Perfect thing to eat. Oh, nutrition here.
Oh, great.
Don't eat flowers. Great source of protein.
BB-8.
Great source of protein. Smells like raspberries. I hate raspberries. Hold up there, mate. We can't go that way. That's poison on it. Who cares? Hey. Oh, 360 no scope. $360 You gotta have a hiking stick with you. Forget it. Poison over here? No problem.
What? Honey.
Tree bark. Tastes like blueberries. As the saying goes, when life gives you lemons, don't eat them because they're sour. Perfect. Yes. Ah. Yes. Oh, it's like chicken meat. Only trees. Yeah, I'm not eating that. Screw that. Let's keep going. What died is here? Always expect everything. What's up? Oh, 360. Oh, perfect.
Ow.
Cameraman's hat. You know what he needs? He needs some tree bark. It heals him nice. Tree bark heals everyone. Ah! I am Sparta. Hold on. Hold on.
I need some tree bark. Cameraman's hurt.
Oh, perfect source of protein.
Oh, it tastes like raspberries.
Raspberries. I hate those. You know what? You will know what you need in survival. You need a great shelter. Perfect. Come on, bushes. Those taste like raspberries. I hate raspberries. Ah, perfect place to live. I'm an orangutan. Nature survivaling. Oh gosh. Can't stay here. This tree's too rusty. Better give it a good kicking. I missed. Keep going. Nature survivaling. The tree's in the way. How are we gonna get past it?
Do you like raspberries?
I hate raspberries. I mean, stupid raspberries. Oh wait.
No, Fido!
No, Fido doesn't want to move.
I found. You see that? Tree bark. No.
Ow! Ow!
Shut up, cameraman. Did you see that perfectly good tree bark? How can it drop the protein? How can you? Oh, another place to burrow. No, not good enough. Looks like a raspberry. Did I tell you I hate raspberries yet?
Actually, I think we think you love raspberries.
Raspberries. Freaking hate raspberries. Oh, this tree's weak. You know why? It didn't have no raspberries, and I hate raspberries. Bring it by. It broke. Not enough protein. Mr. Raspberry Tree, isn't it? A rock. This is hard to find nature. You know, these can be great sources of weapons. Like, watch demonstration. Ow! Aha! Look at that spear. Oh, you actually thought I was gonna break you? Oh, ankles will be shattered. Dreams will be broken. And, oh, another rock. Oh, mini raspberry. What a day. Did I ever tell you I hate raspberries? Nah, forget these. These are raspberries. Look, we can find animals with this. Meow. Do you hear that? Sounded like a bear. Here, wait. Let's make him do that again. Meow. I hear the bear. Oh my gosh. Gotta be quiet.
Meow.
You can't make any sense of noises. No noises. No noises. Gotta remain quiet. Quiet. Oh gosh. Quiet.
Meow.
You don't hear me making noise. You attracted him. We must go into self-defense. Oh, this thing broke.
Wait. We're gonna make it.
Now let me teach you self-defense. He's coming close. He's a wild one. This is how you do it. You grab his hand, go down on one knee, and slit his throat. That bear almost got you. Let's keep going. Meow. The bear's close. There he is! Right there!
I'm gonna fucking stab you.
Ow! Ow! Killed him. That was almost too close. Lucky I saved your life. This was Nature Survivalist. I hope you all enjoyed Nature Survivalist. If you did, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, which you probably won't because this video sucks. And subscribe to have a lot.
Raspberries.
Oh, my assistant just told me I hate raspberries.